How to remove suggested accounts on Instagram. Let's face it, nobody wants their recent search or their account suggestions to be available to everyone on Instagram, be it your girlfriend, your wife, your kids. So in this tutorial, I will tell you how to remove suggested accounts on Instagram. Exactly how to do it. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone. You can always do so on your iOS device as well. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's go. First off, just open your Instagram application on your phone and then just click the search button on the bottom, and from the search button just choose or highlight the search. If you want to remove any account, just click the cross button next to the account name. Or you can also clear all of the account suggestions via click see all and then choose clear all. If any dialog pops up, just choose clear all. Now as you can see, my search history is empty, it is all clear, and that's how you remove suggested accounts from your Instagram application. As always, if you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section. And for more contents, tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care YouTube.